Only 12,004 miles. This Chevrolet Camaro boasts a gas V8 6.2-liter/376 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, wheels, 20x8, 50.8 cm x 20.3 cm, front and 20x9, 50.8 cm x 22.9 cm, rear flangeless, painted aluminum with bright silver finish, STD, transmission, 6-speed manual, STD. This Chevrolet Camaro comes equipped with these options. RS package includes R42, 20x8 front and 20x9 rear flangeless, painted aluminum wheels with bright silver painted finish, D80, rear spoiler, BD8, body color roof ditch molding, T4F, high-intensity discharge headlamps and TEN, separate daytime running lamps, shark fin antenna is body color, black rally stripe package, sunroof, power with express open and venting, shifter, performance short throw, seats, front Recaro performance with front leather seating surfaces and suede to microfiber inserts bucket, includes folding rear seat with trunk pass-through, red hot, molding, body color roof ditch, license plate bracket, front, headlamps, high-intensity discharge with automatic exterior lamp control, exhaust, dual mode, performance. See what the experts say. As reported by KBB.com, if you're looking for something as thrilling to drive as it is to show off, the 2015 Chevy Camaro coupe or convertible can get the job done. Even the most basic model looks lean and mean, a testament to the power of the Camaro's design. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.